I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart.
Yo, what's happening, Janjans? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button in order for you to become a gentle giant. So we have arrived at OR Tambo International Airport and we are off to Knysna. Well, we're flying to George, but we're off to Knysna with the ISUZU and we're taking you guys along. So, Mzwandile. Job age.
On flights that will allow you to use your handheld electronic devices, please be shipped to flight right now for the duration of our flight. All laptops and notebooks must be stowed away safely for taxi, takeoff, approach and landing. George, please remain seated until one of our cabin crew invites your seats to just above. For your own safety, please do not unfasten your seatbelt until the aircraft has come to a complete stop.
I'm good and you?
So I'm on the right. Let's put that in content. It's too much. It's too much. I'm jealous.
Good, long time. Hello, hiding.
Hey GGs, so we finally arrived.
Touchdown George!
Touchdown George. So
currently in George. I'm still at the airport, so we can cut it a bit. But we're still at the airport and we're here for the launch of the new ISUZU X-RIDER.
yeah man, it's looking good.
It's
like
so pretty. So we chose the maroon one.
Yeah.
Because Zandi's thinking was because Valentine's Day we had the white NUX.
Yeah.
And we've been driving the grey one, grey NUX for a while now. For like,
because the grey one is actually, to be honest, all these colors are hot. Like they are really. I wanted the grey, but I was like, we have grey, so let's try something else.
So we chose the maroon X-RIDER and it's stunning. So we're just pulling us up now, so we're gonna go and get acquainted with the program properly. And then get on our drive. Our first thing on the agenda is first activity is the game drive. So excited for that. Want to feel the car. And
looking forward to it. By the way, this is the same car that took us from Johannesburg to we're coming. So this is the very same car that took us from Johannesburg to to Cape Town with the one tank. So this is a 1.9. So get yourself an X-RIDER, go to Joburg, Cape Town and all of that. And that's one get in.
Okay, everybody, welcome experiencing the X-RIDER, which we launched towards the end of last year. We thought let's get a few people to come through. So I hope all of you interact with us as a team as well. It's going to be, we think, a pretty fun 2 days. We hope that you guys have a good experience, feel of the vehicle as well. We try to get as many people as possible to just feel and understand what we're trying to do as a brand. So obviously X-RIDER is not new to the market, but we didn't launch at the same time that we did with the 7th generation DMAX. So X-RIDER almost is like, in a family, the child that has its own personality. So we have tried to curate the media experience as well, according to what we think the personality of the vehicle is.
Especially one between George and Knysna tomorrow, and Platinum McBay. There's just cameras everywhere. They move them around. So I want you to really stick to the speed limit everywhere. And sometimes the buckies, because they're quite quick, they can run much faster than the speed limit. So you need to be a little bit careful. Okay.
Wait, no, I told you the name, babe.
Hotelier Scope.
No!
Wait again.
The first name.
Pandelier Scope. Pandelier Scope is my wife and I's place, by the way. So we always joke about it. But yeah.
Pandelier Scope.
Yeah, we're finally around. We're gonna do a game drive. After doing a game drive, we're gonna.
But I think it's snacks first.
Yeah, light snacks.
Yeah, then
game
we
drive.
head over to the game drive.
Then
horseback riding for those who chose that.
Yeah.
How was the drive?
The drive was good. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, but
they both 1.9.
Yeah, but they both 1.9. So, but it felt good. You can already immediately, like, it wants to go. It doesn't feel like a 1.9 because we obviously used to the 3 liter, but it doesn't feel like it's a 1.9. So, yeah.
I also like this detail.
Yeah.
Red over here.
The red, the red
stunning.
stitching.
Ah.
Yeah, also.
Ah.
Yeah.
And this as well.
Look at this.
It's also big, boy.
Ah, God.
Stunning.
God.
Beautiful.
Do we have any back injuries or hip injuries or anything that can get hurt by the bumpers? Not yet.
Not yet.
Also, while I'm driving, please do not stand or walk around the vehicle, but when I stop, you're welcome to stand up to maybe get a nice selfie or something like that. Just not with the lines. The lines do not like it when people stand up in the vehicle. They do get irritated. Okay, but any other animal, you're welcome to stand up and smile for me.
quick lunch after the game drive. We are off to Clay Cafe. My favorite to ISUZU. The mission is for us to eat and eat and eat and eat. When we got here, there were light snacks, but those light snacks were
not light.
Were actually lunch. Then afterwards, went on the game drive, came back, had a 2-course meal, which now made us full. So now we're going out, which is 30 minutes away. Lasakon is 30 minutes away. Nalapo light snack, but that light snack is gonna be a second lunch. Then it's gonna be a 3-course dinner.
Then still 3 drinks.
Sundowners.
Then Sundowners, 3-course dinner, and after drinks, what? No, but it.
But yeah, my wife is driving now. Yeah, I need to go extra, feel the extra. And yeah. But yeah, let's go GG's.
First stop was game drive, amazing, loved it. Then we had lunch. Now second stop we're at Clay Cafe and we are here to paint some clay figures. I have a unicorn, Mzwandile has a cup, the experience first, so we're painting, excited.
In the kitchen, not really. That's what we're going to use.
Coming together, guys.
How? What?
There's progress.
What here is coming together?
I'll make plate. Hey, you're a pirate!
It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all. It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
Okay, so this is the final product.
You are looking at the winner. of this entire thing.
Looks good. I'm done with shine.
I know. If I had a kid, I'd be eating Mzwandile when a baby.
This is a sign. Something needs to change.
Something is needed. No.
Okay, guys. So this is my car.
X-Ride.
So X-RIDER. And the Pagani plus we could be equalized among the show. Swinging the next stop. We're going to check in. Yeah.
Check in.
Let's go.
These are so cute. Look at that one.
Lady McQueen.
This looks really. And this one. On brand. Alright guys, we're ready to go. All the troops are ready. Done. Scary. Hey guys, so we just arrived at our accommodation, went through gravel road. I must say that gravel road was really exciting, like we really enjoyed that gravel road. Look at the car, look at this dust, look at that. It was really good. Look. Hey GG, so we finally arrived after a long and beautiful day. We finally arrived at our accommodation. We are in Knysna now, so most of the things we were doing were on the George side, our game drive, as well as our clay painting. So now we're finally in Knysna. It took about a 54-minute drive to Knysna. Stunning drive. We took a bit of a detour and went onto this gravel road. It was such a beautiful drive. Like that drive, to be honest guys, was just something else. But yeah, we took that detour, then we finally made it at our accommodation. So we're going to be giving you guys a quick room tour. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think of the place. And yeah, swangin in Jovecho. So we are staying in room number 30. So this is our entire area here, so we can chill here. There's a mini table, bench nyana to chill, cute little garden, and all that open space over there that you get to enjoy. There's also a chilling spot over there where you can chill, have drinks, and it's a vibe. The restaurant is all the way that side, it's not that far. Restaurant as well as reception. And yeah, it is getting a bit dark now, but we had to give you this room tour still. But yeah, like it's a really nice place. These are all the rooms that go all the way from that side, come through to this side. So yeah, let's go in. So it is a traditional door. You have a key where you can open and just go in, but for the sake of the traditional room tour, we're gonna knock.
Hey GGs. Welcome to Knysna with ISUZU. Welcome guys, we are currently staying at the Knysna Hollow Country Estate.
Yeah.
Knysna Hollow Country Estate, I think. But yeah, welcome you guys. This is our room tour. This is our room. As you enter, obviously you came in, but as you enter you are welcomed by the bedroom, right?
Yeah.
So on the right you have our...
Don't you want to start this side? Let's start this side, then come...
Not really, but okay. On the left you have Zandi's bag.
Yeah,
on my bag.
We just arrived, so they do have umbrellas for rainy days or even hot days.
Yeah, so you have one of our luggage bags over there, and then you have some water, obviously, for some hydration. I still need to shower here, and we have to go. That was ringing in my head. You also have here a coffee
Situation.
station. Yeah.
Coffee machine,
station.
coffee pods.
And then, oh yeah, there we go. We have here, what do you call it?
Mini bar.
Yeah.
Mini fridge.
With some milk. Okay. And then you have like a table here to do whatever you need to do with like directories, menus, etc. My handbags and my phone. Okay.
Nice mirror. Also here in front, you obviously also have the TV.
Yes.
As well. There are the remotes,
Yeah.
different channels. That's also the remote for the air conditioning.
Yeah. And then when you come over, if you come in and go to your right, then you have the big bed as well as a built inside tables, right?
Yep.
And then some lamps as well. Bed is looking very big.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good night. And then over here you have like an occasional couch where you can just relax. So a sleeper couch, actually. It looks like a sleeper couch.
Yeah.
I extended it out, so yeah. And then you have this is our lunch bag for the drives in between our experiences. And then we have some goodies from ISUZU. Here's one, here's another one. We haven't opened them. And here's a letter from our ISUZU family. Okay.
Maybe we'll do an unboxing later tonight.
Yeah.
We're just in a rush to shower and go.
Get to dinner.
Yeah.
And then when you come over to this side, you have the aircon, so it blasts you really properly here. Then you have a closet with a safe, another luggage bag. We're staying in room 30. And then when you come over to this side, you are welcomed by the bathroom. So you have a toilet here. Nah?
Yep.
Single toilet for some privacy because it has a door as well, so able to easily close the door. And then you have some gowns and some slippers from the accommodation, and then the bathroom, shower area, face area, face or hands. It's to wait here because I wash my hands already, but yeah. You have a double sink, his and hers. You have some locks. Do you pronounce this as L'Occitane? I think L'Occitane. Hand wash and
lotion.
Hand lotion. Like a towel space, and I guess toiletry bag space. That's where I'm gonna put my toiletry bag.
Yeah.
Then shower. Still some L'Occitane products in there to shower, as well as some towels on the towel rail. And the nice thing about this mirror,
you get to see the cutie.
You get to see the cutie. But yeah, guys, that's basically our room. Nice and clean, modern, love it.
Yeah, it's very, very clean. I like it.
Yeah.
Stunning room.
Stunning.
We are not aware of the other room types that are here.
Yeah.
But there probably might be other room types.
Yeah.
So, but do check out the place.
Yeah.
If you want to come and kick it, it is in Knysna.
Yeah.
It is stunning. It is beautiful.
Yeah, boo.
And yeah, man.
Gonna go shower and head to dinner. Later.
So I'm gonna later, my king.
Mwah.
Hey Gigi, so we're off to dinner now. We're feeling fresh, we're feeling good. Obviously, skip us some posa, because we won 3-2 in the Soweto derby. So obvious, smelling represent. Mvani mediami, obvious, never is sadly medium. And the Mutlanja, dress let me not say, but yeah, we're off to dinner now, taking you guys along, getting Sunyana, so that's why I'm reverse Nyana. But yeah, we're off to dinner. We're feeling so fresh. Like this day couldn't have been more perfect. Launching of the new X-RIDER, beautiful drive, beautiful experiences. Pirates won. Like I'm just happy. I'm happy. Nothing can mess up this time I'm having right now. So let's go to dinner. Chovecho.
Dinner. What time is it now? We're done with dinner. It's 10:15 and we are about to leave. We're about to leave. So Gigi's so yeah, so that is the plan right now. What Lula put? Hey Gigi, so just got back from dinner. Dinner was over a long time ago actually, but just got back from the dining place and let's do the unboxing that Mzwandile promised you. But this is big and so first up we have this. Okay, have some pretty decor over there, and then oh, we have some grapes. Some grapes. Then have some nuts. Then you have some biltong. And then here, this is a salad. A daily salad when what's this? Hey, it's cake, guys. I guess it's already.
So what about salad?
Anda. Awuthembi. Mangathembi Nkosi uzakuthemba. Hey, namba iphila kanti. It's cake. Yeah. Haibo. And I didn't have dessert thingy. I opted for to not have dessert because we've been eating so much. But you have dessert. Yeah. Last but not least, you have some Chenin Blanc and Cabernet Sauvignon. Next box, paper bag. Haibo! Dual voltage DC UPS.
Return.
Overcharge, discharge protection, traffic leak, smart chip control, voltage selection. Baton. Hey, my daughter. Yeah. Power your CPE and router from one device thanks to dual voltage DC outputs. High capacity built in. Wow. You got a UPS.
Just like that.
That's amazing. Wow. Thanks, ISUZU. Thank you, Famo.
Also, when are you guys getting yours?
Get an ISUZU. If you get an ISUZU, you get UPS for free.
Get yourself an X-RIDER, you'll get a UPS.
No, it's only like it doesn't have to be an X-RIDER. MUX, X-RIDER, DMAX, normal DMAX. Those three. Noma yip uzothola ISUZU.
Uzothola ISUZU.
Bese uyasitshela ukuthi hey, I bought an ISUZU because of you. What I'll tell us what uyothola UPS emahala. And maybe a visit from Mzwandile and Siza, maybe. That's good.
Alright, GG's. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sanqanga.
Love you.
Ciao. Top of the morning, mapagania. Sanibona mapagania. Hope nilale kahle. Ngilale kamnandi kakhulu.
Oh, because of what? Because of pirates?
Because of my wife. Good. Pirates in the background.
Oh, is this in collaboration with Tebe Makuku?
Yes.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Nice.
We are off to shoot some content. It's not breakfast time yet. It's breakfast time in an hour, so we're about to go shoot some content. Check out that reel. Hopefully it comes together really well. Social must stand, but yeah, so that's where we're going now. Then we're gonna have breakfast, then we're gonna have a business session before we start with the day. But I slept amazing, guys. Like the bed was amazing, my wife's cuddles were amazing, everything was just working until nothing can get me down at this point. But yeah, Mzwandile and my gang. Ciao.
I think some of you may have seen our media release go out towards the end of last year on the launch of X-RIDER. So we tried to curate a media experience for everyone just to experience the vehicle, understand our selling points, what we've done to the new generation vehicle when we talk about X-RIDER. So a lot of you may know that X-RIDER is a name badge that has a big life and personality. So that's one of the reasons why we decided to launch a bit later in terms of when we launched the new Generation 7 DMAX and why X-RIDER has come at this time. I do have the executives here for all the difficult questions. So after this, I'm not expecting any email asking me anything. So Zip and Kev, I think I introduced them yesterday. And this is Celestin. Mzwandile is our big boss, so he's also here for the difficult questions.
So ISUZU is really centered around reliability, capability, and durability. It's all about solutions for our customers that make a difference each and every day of their lives. So that's why our positioning for DMAX in its entirety is taken to its limits, because we innovate where it matters. The vehicle is capable, it fits into your everyday life and enables you to do more each and every day. But with X-RIDER, we understand that we came up with the positioning that showcases that durability doesn't only mean functionality, but it can also have some comfort and styling in it. So with X-RIDER, we want to really upweight that from a styling standpoint, showcasing the extra features that are in there, and really claiming back our X, because that's the centerpiece of the logo that we have. So we really have dependable, world-class expertise within our organization. As I said, we innovate where it matters. So it might not be about the bells and whistles, but trust that the vehicle will get you there and back and do what you need to do each and every day.
Okay, so maybe just a bit of history before we go into some of the specifications. X-RIDER, we started in 2016 as the previous generation, the Gen 6, as a special value. So that means we had a limited amount of vehicles, I think it was 150, and we put it out into the market. And it just took off so well that we did another second value and a third, and eventually we just said, no, we're going to make this a permanent model in our lineup. And so much so that I think in 2019, it was 35% of our double cab sales was just X-RIDER. So it's definitely a sub-brand on its own, and it's what our customers want. Zip touched on it, it's value for money. If you see the donor vehicle is the double cab LS 1.9, and this vehicle is 55,000 Rand more than that. So when you say 55,000 Rand, that's really nothing for what you're getting. It's really good value for money. And as I said, it's targeting that market, the people that want to be stylish and get that value for money offering. So if we go to the next slide there. The three models, there's a 4x2 manual, 4x2 auto, and a 4x4 auto. For our ROFO models, the rest of Africa, our export models, we have two right-hand drive and two left-hand drive. It's a 4x4 manual and a 4x4 auto, and left-hand drive, right-hand drive. So that is also very popular into Africa. A lot of our Africa countries that we sell to have taken on X-RIDER as their own as well. So it's not just in South Africa where it's popular, it's into Africa.
I didn't feel like it was a one-time challenge. But I really enjoyed the power. So yeah, I didn't feel it wasn't heavy, and so I think I really enjoyed that as well.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So what we also try to do is to stick to our identity. As much as there are so many brands out there that are coming in and they've got funny bells and whistles. Yeah. We stay to our identity, but also try to remain relevant in the market. So you'll find that Kev and his team are constantly looking at what's happening in the market. What excites our customers, what we need to bring into the market, but not compromising on our true identity. So we are not going to follow a Chinese brand or any other brand because it has come with all these features that, but you also find that some of these brands are not lasting very long. They come in and then a couple of years they're gone. So for us, what's important is let's remain relevant to the market. Let's continue with the durability, the quality, all the spec that we need to make sure that it talks to our customers or talks to our DNA as well. So those are some of the attributes that we keep to.
Time to head out. Choosing different cars now. We're in the red. I think the whites would be suited. What do you think, babe? White. I think we're gonna take the whites. Plus, if I only have a little we need, so might as well. These are all the cars. Everyone seems ready. Some cars are still empty, but I think everyone seems ready. Okay, now that's a motor now. So we're ready to go. waiting for a few more people, then we're ready to hit the road. As I was saying, well, my wife decided not to change, so she's sticking to this outfit. I decided to change.
Till the end, I'll change. I'll just stick to this look.
Yeah.
I've got a washing machine.
So yeah, we're going to get our helmets now and get ready for the adventure. Hey
GGs, we are ready to go. We are ready to go. Hish, quad bags, my good old friend. The last time we went on a dusty road, we were in Egypt, I think Egypt. This one, Batsi Nayangati, is going to be a dusty journey. So, perhaps we all kitted up though. So, yeah, Ngabang in Egypt. Those who real GGs will know. Okay, let's go. Mzwandile, ready to go. Baby me. And I don't even know where my husband is. I don't know how he ended up leaving, but they stopped. I can't even see him in the line. But yeah, let's go.
That's the way we look. Look at this dust. Look at this dust. Hi, go. That's right.
Makeup I can try.
Here's a make.
Here's a makeup.
Ah, baby. Here's a make now on the surface, Mara. It's cut it a quarter.
I can't take it off. I don't have my face stuff.
Lucia, try touching now. Guys, the order has been restored, feeling much better, feeling fresher. Sulile, Vasipe, like face cloths, Sasula, Saba right, Saba fresh. So we're going to the next part of our day now. And yeah, that's one getting. My wife is also feeling and looking fresher. I'm trying to represent the I like it when my wife dresses the way she's dressed. I'll show you guys later. But yeah, we're off to our next stop now. And yeah, Mzwandile. It is wine tasting, but everyone is going to be allocated a driver. Well, everyone that's going to take part in the wine tasting is going to be allocated a driver in order for us to drive back home safely. But if you're obviously not partaking in the wine tasting, you can continue driving your car. But if you are going to be participating in the wine tasting, you're going to be allocated a driver. So safety first. You can go.
You're welcome.
Yep.
So yeah, but we're done. Ready to go back to our place. Freshen up. Get ready for dinner. I can't.
So we're back. Gonna take the most glorious shower. How will I show it at a month?
Let's go.
Let's go. Hey GG, so we are off to dinner. Today we are having dinner outside of the accommodation. So the shuttle is waiting for us to take us to dinner. And yeah, so after a thrilling, hot and long, beautiful day, we came back, took a nice, beautiful shower. And yeah, we are now off to dinner. So Mzwandile, and yeah.
I hope Nangizwa lapho. But yeah, you guys look good. Yeah, let's have dinner. Let's enjoy dinner. Where are some of you?
So you must go around telling everyone these stories. Random, right? Fucking mine is work. Because it's done in the walk.
Yeah, you can feel from the breeze.
Tabasco. Let's go, please.
Top of the morning, GGs. It is time to check out. We are headed off. We are off to breakfast. I mean, not breakfast. We are checking out.
Morning.
So,
Siyahamba, guys.
I drove it. Who has kept time by 10 past 6? We're outside.
So, man. Okay, we're off, GGs. I don't know. Morning. John. Okay, GGs, we are off now. Imoto zethu's ready. As Khalil Gut is the social flight. Almost. But I think we're gonna take the great car today. And yeah. So right now we may come as well too. So it's one game in.
Hi. Where can I help you? You can go in the Eric. You guys should go. You and fully miss the flight. It's on LM.
Time to go.
They give you that small bag.
No, it's at the back.
It's at the back.
It's in that car.
Oh, it's in this car.
So we're off. Hope I have everything. Should have everything.
I'm actually, for the first time, cold.
What?
My feet are cold, babe. It's like 10. Hey, GGs, we are making our way to the airport now. Launch is done. Pelile, Capish, Finito. We're driving ourselves there as we drove ourselves here. So I really did like the drives in between the activities. That was well thought of. So special, you know.
Getting to experience the car.
Yes, getting to experience it at your own space, pace, you know, time, with your loved one, with other people. So yeah. Anywho, we are off to the airport now. Should be there in the next 50 minutes. Sophia on 9. Yeah, we should be there. 10. Sophia Lapa 10 to 9. And our flight is at 10 past 10. We have enough time. So yeah.
Plus we've checked in also.
We checked in, yeah. They checked in for us. So I also liked that, you know. You remember to check in obviously when you go, but now coming back because we're busy with activities, dinners, you know, socializing, you forget. But they did that for us. So loved the convenience. So Yes, Katokhama manje. Asiphathe kahle ISUZU, but nothing new. Nothing new. Ooh, then you just saw the eggs. Because of the light coming in from the side, but yeah, nothing new. Yeah, it's a good family to have. Make sure to look out for the ISUZU X-RIDER. It's out there. It's available now. It's available now. You can purchase it. Yeah, the prices are looking good, guys. So go check it out. Go test drive it.
Get the look and feel. Also, like the price difference even between a normal 1.9 DMAX and the X-RIDER, you're getting so much more with the
X-RIDER.
Yeah, with that small price difference. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this, something that stands out, LED lights both back and front, guys, like for me already I was captured by that. Like LED back and front is top tier. So
yeah, I'm captured by the detailing in the car, the finishes, you know. It really is made for you to stand out. They really did make it for you to stand out, because you really do stand out with this car. Aesthetics, very pleasing. So go and get the X-RIDER. If you do get it, remember to let us know and tag us. Okay, see you guys again in another video. Bye guys.